Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Photos and selecting the image to fix. Tap Edit, then Tools, and choose Erase. You need either the brush or magic eraser. Use zoom so you can see edges clearly. This helps the tool preserve surrounding texture. Make the brush size large enough to cover stray areas quickly, but small enough for detail. Once done, roughly paint over the unwanted object. Don't worry about precision yet, because the next slide shows refinement and iterative passes for best results. Once you've marked the object, tap Remove and let the algorithm fill the area. That's Magic Eraser's strength. If results look off, switch to Brush and carefully paint edges, then use Restore to bring back any lost detail. Make multiple passes. Start broad to eliminate bulk, then zoom in and refine small areas for natural texture. Also try slightly different brush sizes and reapply removal. This iterative approach helps the model sample better context and blend seams so the edit looks real. Now compare the before and after. Tap back and preview to be sure you're satisfied. When you like the result, choose Save Copy so the original remains unchanged. If you see artifacts or repeated textures, re-edit the area with smaller brush strokes or switch between Magic Eraser and Brush to improve sampling. Make sure to export a high-resolution copy and inspect edges at 100% zoom. If problems persist, undo and redo with different passes. Sometimes one more careful pass fixes stubborn seams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.